Hey, so we just had our wedding last night and it's the day after, so that means it's time to take your battery powered lights and plug those in. And I wanted to kind of share what we did with these. These are the EZLink, let's see if I can get you to see, EZLink Par Q1BT Pack. This is the new generation of those. I've got the old generation and I still have, I bought 8 of the old generation and I still have 7 that work. 6 that charge properly. The 7th one doesn't hold the charge all the time, but they've done a lot of shows. So I didn't hesitate when I picked up the new generation because we needed them. It's all controlled by the Bluetooth Air app from Chauvet DJ. These are Chauvet lights. So the new generations charge via USB. So you've got your little USB charger here, and I'm just plugging them in, but they're a little single, they're a quad LED. Very simple. There's not a lot of technology here. There's no DMX capability. You've got 2 options really. You can either, well, 3 I suppose. You can go and put them on a solid color and leave them on. You can run them with the Bluetooth app, which we do, which we run off the iPhone, or they've got the little remote with which we do not use. So the pack will hold 4 of those. It has the charger, the cables and such. But the neat thing about these little guys is that it has a magnetic base on those. And I'll show you a picture here, a little video clip here. This is from our wedding, where we basically, the boys were kind of playing with these a little bit and seeing what they could do to illuminate and make the tent glow. And you can see even sticking them on a speaker, the Evolve 50, the front of the Evolve 50. Basically anywhere there's a surface that could have a magnet attached to it, they work. So there were some things in the tent that worked, light tree that worked, and then of course the speaker. Right now they're charging up. They ran for the whole night last night. I've run these on the older generation for over 6 hours at events, and I've been really happy with those. As they get older, the old ones don't hold that. They can go right now about 4 hours is what I can get out of those, where the new generation, of course, is going to last longer with those. I'm going to charge them up and I will be unplugging them later tonight. I'm not going to leave them on the charger. Well, actually, once they're done charging, they will go to green here. Then I'm going to unplug and that will be it. And then they'll be ready for the next event. And I just pop them up on their case here so that they can charge and they can kind of breathe a little bit. I don't really know if there's any actual openings for them to breathe, but I just wanted to have them up in the air, standing upright instead of laying down. First off, because you can't get the little Bluetooth thing. And secondly, is I want to make sure that there's nothing really on the sides, all 4 sides, to be able to keep any heat in with those batteries. But yeah, just a neat little light. If you've never checked into the Bluetooth stuff, for a quick light show, the trees that you saw in that video were also Bluetooth, so everything was being controlled in that situation with a cell phone. And what helped with that is it made it so it's a much quicker setup and tear down, and yet we can have that connection to be able to control things. And then we didn't have any gaps and such where bugs could get in the lights, which is a big thing. So anyway, I'll put links in the description. You gotta check these out. Just getting things charged up for our next event.